Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to change or modify your Viasat plans. Okay, so all official steps you can see on your screen, so let's get started.
Step 1. Log into my Viasat with your username and password. If you haven't signed up for my Viasat, registration is straightforward. Click the link under the login field at my.viasat.com. Step 2. Select the plan and usage tab at the top of the page, then click on Change Plan as shown on your screen. Step 3. Here, you'll see your current plan plus other plans available in your area. Find the best plan for you, then click Choose this plan. Step 4. After selecting your new plan, the confirmation page will appear. Review the terms and conditions, then click on Confirm. Step 5. Congratulations. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your new plan. The summary allows you to review your new plan to ensure it meets your needs and explains how any data will carry over to it. The confirmation will let you know what to expect next and provide details on changes you'll see on your next bill. There are never any change fees with Viasat. After submitting the change, your modem will reset to load the new plan. You'll be offline for a few minutes while this happens.
So dear friends, by using these methods you can easily change, or you can say modify your Viasat plans. So if you are facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.